Hi there. You're now looking at Genspark AI, which is an agent-based platform, much like menus and other platforms, where the AI does several tasks at one time. On the left side menu that there's a super agent, AI slides, sheets, chat, and all of the agents that are available. Everything that happens on Genspark is considered to be agent-based. As of the recording of this video, the account that we are looking at is a free account. We can upgrade our plan. However, we're not going to upgrade the plan for the sake of this video. There's a link here that says invite friends. However, the offer here has expired and it's only available for individuals that are part of the paid program. We are currently in the chat area. We can go to the Genspark AI slides and ask Genspark to create a slide presentation. We are going to make our request and Genspark will start the process. You can watch Genspark go through its process in real time, and you'll see that Genspark is going to outline each slide in your dashboard so that you can see it. You'll see each of the slides that Genspark suggests and get a chance to see the agent process happen. You'll notice that several things are happening at the same time and several aspects of the platform are operating in order to deliver both the information and the slides with that information. You'll also see that the slides are being coded and made available to you in order to use now. The outline, as you can see, has 13 elements. Genspark will make all 13 slides, and you'll now see that the process is completing the 12th and 13th slide. Genspark indicates that the presentation is now complete, gives you information on its design features and the key content highlights. You can then view and export your slides. You can export your slide presentation to PDF or to PowerPoint. If you have PowerPoint as part of your platform mix, the export has now begun. You'll see here that the process takes between 1 and 10 minutes. The export has now been completed. We can download it to our computer now. You will notice that it is going to be watermarked with Genspark because we are using the free account. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.